In this question, it says in the given figure DEFG is a square. So we are given this as a square, and angle BAC is given as 90 degrees. So this angle is given as 90 degree, this being a square. And what we need to show over here is that is FG square is equal to BG into FC. FG square, that is square of this, is equal to this multiplied by this. So for that, we'll be proving these two triangles similar and write their corresponding sides as proportional. So by cross multiplication, we can obtain this. So one thing we can observe that here one angle is 90, like here this is 90 and this is 90 degree. But then to get the other angle, we'll be applying the angle sum property. So let's say if I write this angle as 1, so look into this triangle. In this triangle, we know one angle is 90 degree. That is, we are talking about this triangle. So in triangle, one angle is 90 degrees. So the sum of other two angles will be 90. That is, angle 1 plus angle B should give you 90. And that's by angle sum property. Now consider this triangle, the whole triangle ABC. It's a right angle triangle and 90 degree at A. So since this angle is 90 degree, the sum of other two angles, that is B plus C, should give you 90. So I can write angle C plus angle B equals 90 degree. The reason remains same, that is angle sum property. So now the RHS of both the equation is same, so we can equate their LHS. So angle 1 plus angle B should be equal to angle C plus angle B. This is angle C plus angle B. Now check here, that is angle B and angle B get cancelled. So that results to give you angle 1 is equal to angle C. Now you can observe that we got one more angles equal of these two triangles. So this angle 1, angle 1 is equal to angle C, and we have already found out one angle, that is angle BGD is equal to, this is 90, and on this angle, this side it is angle EFC. So they are each 90 degree. Now from these two, what we can see, that these two triangles will be similar. Why? Because we got two angles as equal. So let me write on the triangle as similar. The first triangle, if I write BGD is similar to, well, what is B corresponds to here? B corresponds to E, G corresponds to F, and this D corresponds to C, and they are similar by AA. So once these triangles are similar, we can write their sides as proportional. So if I take BG, that BG being the first two letter corresponds to EF, this is EF is equal to, now if I take GT, then GT over FC. Now what you can observe over here, that we need BG and GC as the part of two proof, but we don't need GD and EF. Instead, we need FG. Now look into this. This is a square, right? This is a square. So here all sides are equal. So we have BG that divided by EF, and EF is what we are taking as GF. And this side, and GD is what? GD is also equal to GF. So I can replace this with GF that divided by FC. So now if I do cross multiplication from here, what do we get? We get GF multiplied by GF, that is GF square, and these two multiplied, that is BG multiplied by FC. Yes, that's what we need to prove here, that this is what we needed to prove here.